Hi, this is Jillian Harrington, JillianHarrington.com. I am an intuitive life coach. I change it up all the time. I am an intuitive life coach and an energy healer, and I work with people to really make their dreams come true. And in this video, I'm going to share a little nugget of wisdom that is probably keeping you from having the life that you desire. You can have it. Hello, here we are again. All right, so today I'm going to share something that came through me with one of my clients that had a big impact that she's been sharing. So I want to share with you all too, because if it is good for her, it's good for many. Certainly, it's been good for me. When I was talking to her and her life, I really could hear and feel that she kept on planning her life as plan B. Like she was saying, okay, well, I can do this, or I could do this instead, and this will make money, and I know I can be successful at this. And I kept on hearing that she was always living in plan B because she didn't believe that she could even have plan A. Okay. And I had to stop her and I had to say, okay, so you keep on talking to me about what you're going to do as your plan B or plan C. What is your plan A? Because you're compromising on something that you don't even know what it is yet. If you're going to compromise, at least compromise from your plan and your desire. Because what I was hearing was that she was like, well, this is plan B. And if it doesn't work out, then I'll do plan C. So she was compromising on her compromise. I think so often, so many of us do that because we don't believe that we can have what we really want, right? We can. You can have what you want. You can have what you want. And you know what? At least know what you want. At least know what you want. All right. What is your plan A with whatever it is in your life right now? I know you want something. You're here in physical form, so you want something. What is your plan A? And once you figure out your plan A, then you can figure out what you can compromise on. But don't put all your energy into the compromise. Put your energy into plan A. How can you make that work? How can you be intentional about it? And how can you let other people know what plan A is? Okay, that's all I have for now, but I thought that was a good little tidbit, a little nugget of wisdom that could maybe help you live a life more on purpose. I'll talk to you later. Bye.